guys, look what I found at the mall. I found a cards vending machine. My mom's getting me one right now.
Add to cart.
Wait, I'm gonna add to...
Time out. Hurry up. Tap the screen. Add to cart. Check out. You ready? Okay. Now get ready. There it goes. Going up. Back up.
Oh, and it's in a special case too. Look at that. Oh, it's kind of cold. Feel it. Guys, I have the box. Guys, I have the box. I'm gonna open it. So I'm opening this. Ooh. I'm keeping that case to keep these safe because I still have to go on a plane home. This is my last day. I'm going later. Oh, it comes with 10 cards. This is a pretty good deal. Okay, pack's open. Guys, do you see that? Do you guys see that? Okay, I'm just gonna go through them. Boom. Boom. I'm still opening it. Boom. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, look at this. Rated prospect card. That's really cool. Oh, that's so cool. This one's also really cool. What is with these cards? They're awesome looking. That's awesome. Look who I got. So much for having a good card. Look at what I got. Alexander. Boom. Question mark? Question mark? What? Wait a minute. What? You can get Tim Duncan? You can get Tim Duncan from these? How did you... Okay, I'm going to show you this card. This is like, you can get Tim Duncan. What? That's insane. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.